Hello everyone. In this video, if you are looking for the Windows 11 product key, how to get that, if you have reinstalled the window or formatted that or reset that, or if you want to keep it in a future. So simply I will show you two steps. The step number one is CMD, run as an administrator guys. Simply and hit yes option when the prompt opens. Make sure you run the admin mode, the CMD. The first command, as you can see here, the above one, you will get this command into my description box. Just you need to copy there, okay, this one, just paste it and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you should get your product key. If somehow I have seen that it is also not working in my Windows, it should work in most of the cases, but if still not, we have another fix for you. Simply open the registry editor, and if the both are key showing different, keep both the keys, okay. Just run as administrator, hit yes option when the prompt opens. Now we need to basically go through this path. As you can see here, I have already gone there, so I will show you shortcut. Just you need to copy this path from my description box simply, and simply copy it and paste it on the above here, okay. If you are not able to paste it, manually go the path step by step. This one, let me copy it properly. Once you hit enter, you will land into the software protection platform, and in here guys, look for backup product key. So here is the option backup product key default, and you can see here this is the key. So this is the key guys, as you can see. So hope this video helpful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.